So this is World Academy is based in United Kingdom, and we are ISO certified organizations. Couple of ISO certification. Apart from this, one of the certification I need to mention that 17024, which is actually the general requirements for bodies of operating in certification of personnel. So World Academy is ISO certified in 1724, which gives the credibility to issue the personnel certifications. Our impact in the global landscape, having presence 67 countries now, 200 plus programs from academic to certified both. And our alumni size is more than 31,000 now, 132 instructors from 14 countries, 30% of our alumni holding the C-suite positions. That means senior level peoples are also connected with us. Why it is the right choice? One of the largest, I repeat, one of the largest professional certification institute based in United Kingdom. And with the blessing of Almighty, we are going to be the largest one in by another 2 to 3 years time, inshallah. Our credentials are globally accepted. We are offering at affordable fees, flexible payment plan, you can see, wide range of programs, wherever you are working, whatever the positions you are holding, you will find any kinds of credentials with us. 30 plus master's level program, 40 plus diploma programs, user-friendly learning management system, and also digital badges issued by Credly, one of the concern for Pearson Education Group. It's our global affiliation, accredited institute by NQL. NQL is an off-call regulated awarding body in United Kingdom, and World Academy is an accredited institute by NQL. Accredited institute by National CPD Certification UK, that is also an UK-based CPD provider. Accredited institute by National Project Management Academy of United Kingdom, that is also an UK-based project management related certification awarding organization. Approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professionals, another one of the largest professional bodies in United Kingdom. And this program is also validated by Cambridge Academy of Professionals UK. Approved center by Prof Qual. It's also in United Kingdom, offering the certification for higher education. Approved center by Board of HR certification. Then approved provider of HR, CIS, HRM, and ATD. All are US-based HR certification awarding body. SHRM Academically Aligned Institute, that is one of the very prestigious credential for World Academy. It is academically aligned. That means SHRM of giving the recognition to World Academy as academically aligned. And partner institute of KPI specialist, and also Academy of English, Business English and Communication. So these are the global affiliation of World Academy nowadays. Our mission 2030, as I told earlier, to become the #1 professional certification institute in the world, having presence in 100 countries. So that's our mission 2030, and we are very much on track for this. These are the physical gathering in different countries in the last quarter of 2025. We had our graduation ceremony for our graduates in different programs in Kenya in August 2025. At the same time, we also had our professional summit, the conference in Kenya as well. We also had our graduation ceremony in Uganda at the same time on August 2025. Around 50 plus graduates from Uganda and South Sudan attended that program. And also we had our International People Summit as HR conference in 2025 in Uganda as well. And we also had our graduation ceremony in Tanzania in August 2025. Around 60 plus graduates from Tanzania attended this program. And we had the Global Professional Summit in 2025 in August in Tanzania again. This is the program, Certified KPI Specialist, one of the very prominent program for World Academy. It's a signature program of World Academy. This program is being collaborated by Cambridge Academy of Professionals and Institute of KPI Specialist. The recognition for this program is SHRM, HRC, and ATD got this recognition as recertification provider. And there is a digital badge you will be receiving after successful completion of the program issued by Credly, concern of Pearson Education Group. This is the sample certificate. It looks like this. and the transcript as well. In the transcript, we will mention the module name and the competencies. So both will be validated as well as the credit points. So the 22 credit points you will be acquiring after successful completion of this program. The total features is 4 months duration. Altogether, we will be taking 4 months time. Live online classes. Class will be only on Friday, 2 to 4 p.m. GMT or UTC. Free books and materials, and live interaction opportunity through the learning management system. It is very much job oriented or career oriented program and focusing on the competency framework. And you will be having extensive practices during the program. There will be simulation exercises. There will be tools and formats, and also the live sessions, online live sessions. And different resource persons from different countries will take different sessions. Our alumni from CKPIS working in different industries, manufacturing, service, banks, governments, NGOs, in different countries also. In Bangladesh, including Bangladesh, there are 35 plus countries alumni are. So it's not a industry specific program. Wherever you are working, even it is a smaller company or bigger company, it is a service oriented or manufacturing, it is a government or non-government or NGOs or commercials, doesn't matter. Everywhere you can use these learning points. You can use these competencies to develop the KPIs for your organization, as it is a concern of performance management system. So performance management is everywhere. It doesn't only mean that performance management is only for the manufacturing companies, not at all. So wherever the organization is, in which industries it's operating, doesn't matter. It needs the performance management of people. So KPI is one of the widely used tool for performance management across the globe. Even UN organizations, also UNDP, some people from UNDP also attended our program. So that means the multi-diversified organizations or industries. The learning portfolio, what you will be learning from this. There are total 8 practical focus modules, and it is actually 2025 version. We changed our curriculum in 2025, so it's the latest one. So 8 practical focused modules, 24 competencies altogether, each module having 3 competencies. So total 24 competencies, 24 learning objectives, and 80 guided questions. That means for every module, there are 10 guided questions. What does guided question mean? It is like FAQ type, which is very much helpful for you to implement this. Once you are implementing, you might have a question, oh, what does it mean, or how to do it, or else, then you can go to the reference book, which will be providing by us. You will find that the guided questions and standard answer as well. So that is the 80 guided questions and standard answer, 10 case studies you need to maintain, and 10 group activities also. And during the sessions, there will be different group activities or group work. The class management, total 8 modules, 10 sessions. Session per week. That means every week, one session, only on Friday, 2 hours. So total 20 hours. And review and question answer will be there. Class recording will be provided for certain time through the learning management system. You can only watch the recordings through the learning management system up to 2 years. Class material will be shared within 1 to 2 days time through the learning management system. The material is downloadable material. You can download the material, or even the tools, you can also download from there. Class notification through the WhatsApp group or email, you will find it. Sometimes if the trainer emergencies comes or any kinds of natural calamities or anything else, we may postpone or reschedule. If we reschedule it, it will be on the next week, not any other day for sure. So class will be on every Friday only. And sometimes we cannot maintain the sequences, doesn't matter. I mean, majority classes code, the modules are independent modules, so it doesn't need the sequence. If it is needed the sequence, of course, we will do in the sequential manner. And attendance will be recorded. So during the session, use your full name so the system can detect your attendance. The assessment part, There will be final exam, written exam actually. 5 questions, 40 each. So total 200 marks. And duration is 120 minutes, 2 hours. Passing marks is 70%. And in the assignment part, there are 3 types of assignment. One is pre-course. It is not connected with the learning. You will receive the pre-course assignment even tomorrow itself. And during the program, there will be in-course assignment, 3 in-course assignment total. So you need to attend those 3 assignments, submit this, and you need to qualify on each item separately. Then the capstone project, the final one, there is the massive learning from that part. Actually, I will show you what does it mean and how depth it is, so that you can realize once anyone can complete this capstone project and qualify it by acquiring 70% marks, how much he or she will be confident on KPI development stage. The group work and presentations will be there as well. So at the end of the program, there will be a group work and also a presentation. You need to submit, you need to present in front of the jury board. The assessment framework, in course assignment 3, 100 for each, capstone project, final exam, and group work and presentation 100 marks. The certification part, you will receive electronic and digital badge, electronic certificate and digital badge within 5 to 7 working days after publishing the result. And the printed certificate will be receiving 4 times in a year. So whenever your slots comes, you will receive the printed certificate as well. So now we will be talking about this program in depth. What will be the learning points from this program? Understand the foundation of performance management. Define, classify, and differentiate between different types of KPI. There are different types of KPIs. So you will learn which is called what. Align organizational vision, mission, goals, and KRAs. So how can we align all these things? Apply multiple KPI design framework. There are different KPI design methodologies or framework like KRA-based, task-based, balanced scorecard, leading, lagging, impact formula. So all these things will be discussed in different sessions. Develop governance system for KPI documentation. How you can maintain this KPI documentation? How can you preserve the KPIs? That will be discussed. Design and deliver effective KPI dashboard and performance report. There are 2 sessions where you will learn how you can develop the KPI dashboard through Excel. So from scratch to the end, our resource person will be discussing on that particular point in 2 classes. Transform KPI data into actionable business insights through analytics. So how can we analyze the KPIs, the KPI results, KPI achievements, and what are the decisions, business decisions you can draw from those. Apply predictive and root cause analysis to KPI performance gaps. If there is any gaps, how can you identify the root causes? Lead KPI projects from concept to execution with change management principles. So if you consider KPI as a project, how can we implement this KPI project in your organization? That means you will be learning in that much so that you can implement KPI based system in the organization without the assistance of any consultant, external consultant. And then build organizational competencies for sustaining a performance driven culture, so that once KPI is there, nobody can blame each other. Nobody can, get the excuses from the performance issues. It will be clearly monitored and clearly identified who could achieve and who didn't. The learning outcomes from this particular program: demonstrate a clear understanding of performance management system, develop smart and effective KPIs, cascade vision, mission, and goals into measurable action plan, design KPIs using advanced framework, establish KPI governance structure, create compelling KPI dashboard, interpret KPI results. So these are a couple of learning points from this program. Now let me go through the modules. So the first module is anatomy of performance management system. Under this module, the basic of foundation of performance management system will be discussed completely. It is focusing not only the KPI, it is a balanced performance management system that will be discussed. So that means from the starting to the advanced level of performance management system in a nutshell. The gist that is called anatomy of the performance management system, where the competencies will be covered performance mapping, critical analysis, and strategic alignment. So you will be learning a very basic part like this one, express the foundation of performance management system, emphasizing how organization measure, track, and improve the results. So that will be the first module outputs. And the module 2, introduction to key performance indicators. So this module is particularly focusing on KPI, the basic of KPI, the introduction of KPI, the foundation of KPI. What does it mean? What are the types? How can you define it? So this type of very basic part, KPI literacy, analytical thinking, and measurement skills. So these are the outcomes or the insights of module 2, introduction to KPI. Then module 3, aligning vision, mission, and goals with KRA and KPI. That is another very important part. Also connecting with a bigger scale of performance management system. Like vision, mission is a strategic driver for the organization, and KRA and KPI is a tool. So how can you connect this? So by using KRA KPI, you need to monitor whether you are achieving, you are going through your mission and vision or not. So that is how it is called alignment. So that in this particular module, you will be understanding the relationship between these two, map organizational objective into measurable indicators, and design alignment framework. So after successful completion of this module 3, you will be knowledgeable and skilled to align all the KRAs and KPIs with the company vision, mission, and goals. And in module 4, very important module for this particular program, methods of KPI designing. We will be talking about KRA-based method, task-based method, leading versus lagging methods, balanced scorecard, and impact formula. So that means these are different methodologies for setting up KPIs. So it depends which method you need to choose. Some methods are very easy to administer, some are a little bit of tricky thing. So everything will be discussed in the module 4. Maybe there are 2 classes under this module or even 3 for discussing about these methodology, all the methodologies. So after successful completion of module 4, you will be expert to develop your KPIs. So now you can see how the consequences of these programs. First, you are learning about basic of performance management system, because KPI is a performance management tool. So first you need to know what this performance management system is. After that, you learn about the introductory part of KPI. Then how you can align this KPI with the company's vision, mission, and goal. Now you all set about the basic of KPI, and now you are designing the KPI system. The M4 is developing or designing the key performance indicator for different functions, different individuals, or the organization. So there are 3 layers of the KPI: organizational level, departmental level, and individual level. So this module 4 will ensure the learning how you need to design KPI, whether it is for individual or for company, doesn't matter. How you can write the grammatical part of KPI, that will be the module 4. How to write the exact and perfect KPI so that it never missed. Okay. And in module 5, KPI governance, that means documentation, data collection, and accountability. Now, once you set your KPI in module 4, you learned about it. Now it is time how you can preserve, what are the formats you can use for KPI KPI implementation and data collection. So that will be discussed in module 5. That is called data governance, KPI governance. So documentation, how can you preserve the data? Who will be analyzing the data? How can you analyze the data? So all these things. What is the data flow? Suppose if you want to preserve or record the KPI achievement. So how can you do this? What is the data flow? Is it like people will sending data to central, or central will take the data from fields? Whatever the mapping flow it is. So that will be under module 5. And then in module 6, visual storytelling with KPI dashboards and reports. So once in the module 5, you learn about how to collect the data, how to preserve the data, every parts. Now it is time how to visualize, analyze. So dashboard will help you to analyze, to make the reports, to visualize it, to interpret the data. So everything you will learn from module 6. That is called visual storytelling. Okay. And then in module 7, KPI analytics mastery. Now you have all people's KPIs or departmental KPI or organizational KPI achievement in your hand. Now what to do? You need to have analytical skills. How to analyze this? What are the ways to analyze? What are the methods to analyze? What are the tools we can use for analyzing? How can we interpret the analytical results? How can we make corrective measures through these analytical results? So these will be discussed in module 7. And in module 8, the last module is KPI project implementation. Now you are expert on a silo basis. You learned about the basic of performance management system, learned about the foundational knowledge of KPI, learned about how to align it, learned about how to design it, learned how to collect the data, learned how to prepare the reports, and learn how to analyze it. That means every part you have learned. Now you integrate all the things, you are integrating. That means it's a complete KPI based performance management system project for your company. You are thinking to start KPI based PMS in your company. So it's a project for you. This is the module from where you will learn how to treat KPI as a project. So who will be the project owner? What are the project teams? What are the components of these projects? How can you, implement these projects? How can you ensure the qualities, budgeting, all these things of the project will be discussed under module 8. So now you can see, starting with the basic of performance management system, ended up with a KPI project implementation. Up to this, you will be expert on this particular KPI related areas. That's why you said once you have become certified, then you will be confident, courageous, and competent, confident, and courageous to implement KPI based system in your organization without the assistance of consultant. That is the ultimate motto of this program, right? So that's about the part. Now I'm just going to show you what is the capstone project, so that you can again understand how depth it is. Here, that is the project work, actually capstone project. So you can see that these are the 25 departments, and this is the task 1. You may mention some of the information from your company. Then these are basically the task for yourself. Task 2 is prepare organizational KPI. Here the information, whatever the information you put, considering this information or scenario, you need to mention 8 objectives, and for each objective 1 KPI. So that is the organization KPI. And there will be a number, KPI 1, 2, 3, like this. And in the next task, every people will need to work 5 departments, and we will assign which department for you. It is not you who will select. We will assign it randomly. That means every person will work with 5 departments. Now, department 1, suppose this is the department 1. You need to mention the department name. Then for this department, you need to follow balance the scorecard method. Considering balance the scorecard, mention 4 objective, mention 4 KPI. Then interesting part is this. You need to mention this KPI is connected or related with which organization KPI. There are total 8 organization KPI. So every departmental KPI must be connected with any of the organizational KPI. And you need to write it, that which organization KPI is connected with this departmental KPI. After that, you need to mention, you need to design KPI for 3 layers of the person, 3 level. Department head. For department head, use impact formula base. Then again, the template is impact formula component, KPI, departmental KPI number. So this KPI, whatever you mention here, this KPI is connected with which departmental KPI? At least one departmental KPI should be connected. So you need to mention the name. Then also how this KPI can be calculated, the calculation formula, and from where you will receive the achievement record. That is from the sources of information. That means from which source you will receive your achievement record. So these are the 4 items you need to fill up for individual level, department head. For the supervisor, this is the mid layer. Supervisor, what formula? Method, leading and lagging. Like this. And for other one, maybe it's a task based or KRA based. So you need to mention like this is the KRA based. So this is the way how you need to develop the total. There are total 22 tasks. That means organizational KPI, 5 departmental KPI, and for each department there are 3 individuals KPI. Department heads, supervisors, and individual level. So that means 3 into 5, 15 individual KPI, 5 departmental KPI, 20, and 1 organizational KPI. This 21 tasks, and another task is the information only. So that is what you need to fill up. And now you can imagine if any person can complete this project and pass the assessment, how much he or she will be confident to implement their organizational KPI based PMS. So it's really a program which gives you instant benefit, not only you, also to the organization. Organization will get instant benefit after successful completion of this program. That is the credibility of our CKPIS program. All right. Any questions so far?